So it's Saturday and it's like 12:20 and the gym is all mine today. So I thought I'd show you the gym that I work out in here in Nulvi. This is the gym. Okay, so this is the entrance. I'm going to gym. You walk into the gym. Counter. Male change rooms. This is where we keep all our programs. And this is the gym here at Nulvi. I grew up in a gym, like a men's gym. So this is very like reminiscent of what I grew up in or around. My dad going to a gym that was all men, just bodybuilders, trying to get as big as these dudes. The inspiration for most men. I really like it. It's cute, it's little. Sometimes a little small when there are loads of people here, but it's got everything you need. And most importantly, the people here are really lovely. So this is the gym space. And if we walk through the back here, the lights are off because I'm the only one here. This is the workout space, like cool down, doing like floor exercises. Let me turn the light on. I've got places to hang boxing bags. They've got freestanding and hanging. And then they also do some classes in here. You can see the speaker there. And then behind me, we've got the ladies' change rooms, which we don't need to go into. This boy here that looks like well, he doesn't look dead, does he? No, he's clearly sunning in the middle of the road because this boy owns this street. This is like his street, his territory, nobody else's. His name is Kessie. Kessie! Kessie! Kessie, what are you doing? What are you doing? You're getting some sun, boy. You're getting some sun. In the middle of the road. That's not a very safe place to be. I believe this dog is fairly old. He's literally the gym dog. Sometimes he comes into the gym. He likes me a lot, and for many months he used to walk me home. Didn't ya? I bring him treats. Bye. Oh, you coming? You coming? But he stopped walking me home because there is this other big dog who has territory, and he's bigger than Kessie and stronger, and they often end up fighting, and he gets great big gashes like that. But he's so lovely. And so sometimes he follows me home, and sometimes he doesn't. But mostly the other dog will find me and he'll follow me home. So this is how we go home. These are like, we're like slightly outside the center of the town right now. So there's this house on the corner here, and it had a for sale sign on the front of it, and I didn't know it was for sale because I don't believe it was for sale when I bought my house, but I really like it. I don't know what it is about it, but I like it. And someone's bought it because the for sale sign is gone, and they've like opened the windows and they've cleaned up all behind here. There used to be loads of weeds and stuff all through here, so I believe someone's bought it. It's like on the corner here. I think it goes from there. I'm not sure, that might actually be the garden as well. I like it. We have officially hit summer. It was like last week. Last week was like the last week of May. So I was watching the weather app, and you could just see in the first few weeks of May, it just went up and down, up and down, up and down, from like 15 degrees to 20 to a couple of days of like 23, 25, just giving us a taste. And then it would drop back down to 15 and feel really cold again, even though 15 isn't very cold. But when you're like approaching summer, you're like, come on, come on, come on, come on. And then as of yesterday, it officially went boom. And now the weather app is just like consistently set for 25 and above. So fingers crossed, we are now officially into summer and blue skies abound. And we're still, I guess, in the tail end of spring. Hay fever is under control, so we are all good. But yeah, bring it on, bring on summer. This is my walk home. Now the house on the corner there that you see here is also for sale, and my neighbor owns it. And if people are interested and if he's okay with it, I would like to show you inside that house. So let me know in the comments if you are interested in seeing inside this house. He showed me once before. What he has for sale is what is upstairs. However, this is all his as well, so if someone wanted to buy the whole thing, that I believe they could. So you enter up there and there's a whole kind of house upstairs. I have no idea what's downstairs. I've asked him, I'm waiting for his feedback, so we'll see if he's into the idea. And then right opposite this house is another house for sale. This house on the corner. And a good friend of mine, a local here, this is her like family house, and this is also for sale. And I would love to show you guys this house too, just to give you guys a picture of like what it's like inside some of the houses here, what you get, how much things cost. And I'm still waiting on her to let me know if she's interested. The energy's just different when the sun's out. I was thinking as I was walking here how when the sun's out, everything just feels better. I never knew there was a pasticceria here until I was walking home, and all I could smell was sugar and baked goods. And of course I'm walking home after the gym, smelling it, just going, that smells amazing. So Nulvi itself has quite a lot of things. So they've got like a population of somewhere around 2,500 people. So of course you need to have things so that those people can go to places and do things and buy all of the things that they need without having to always go into the city of Sassari. So I thought I would take you on a little journey and show you what they have here. I walk all the little back streets these little houses, the back streets to get to my house. It's a little bit hilly. Some parts are way more hilly than others. Washing on the line. Abandoned nothings. Houses, I guess. It's another empty house. Playing football on the street. The bar, or a bar. That's the main street right there. This is the geometra's office. This garden up here is gorgeous. This is actually a street that apparently used to run like right through, but someone just decided to build a bit of a secret garden in there. I don't know if you can go in, but up here, this property has a walnut tree, has a couple of walnut trees, and when the walnuts are ready, I get free walnuts because they all fall onto the ground here, and I just come past and collect them because it's huge. So pretty. Now, the lady who owns this place told me that this house is for sale as well. I don't know if it's, I think it's just one part of it. I told her about my channel. She seemed interested, but I've noticed that the for sale sign is gone, so she may have sold that one. But it was like 20,000 euros or something. Windows. Again, that's the main street. This is a really cute little part here. Look at that house up there. This is a one-way street. And this is my street. And that's me, right there. Let's see if we're coming home to any kitties in the window. Usually when I come home, someone's hanging out up there. Do you see Shadow? Shadow! I don't know if you can see her. She's black. Cutie.